Hi Early Start. So today's video is a sorting activity. So what we're going to be sorting today is buttons. So if you have some old buttons at home, or maybe if somebody in your house sews, they may have a collection of buttons for putting onto different things. So I just have a basket here with a collection of different sized and different coloured buttons. And then we're going to sort them into 3 different groups. So the first group that we're going to sort are our big buttons. Then the next is going to be what size? Middle sized, you're right. And then the last size is going to be our small buttons. So I'm going to put one big button in here. So I'll know this is the size button I'm putting into this bowl. And I have a big circle drawn here for my big button. Then this size is going to be my middle-sized buttons. And I have a middle-sized circle here. And then this size here are going to be my small ones. So I'm going to put it there. So can you see the difference between the buttons? So this is my big one, this is my middle-sized one, and this is my small one. Okay, so I'm going to put them back into their bowls now, and then I'm going to sort through my container and see which ones. I think that might be a middle-sized one, and which ones are going to go together. Sometimes it's easier to go through and look for one size first. So actually what I'm going to do is get all my small buttons first and put them into one bowl, and then it'll be easier to sort out which ones are my middle-sized ones. Can you see? So I'm going to keep sorting out my small buttons first. I'll be back to you in a moment when I'm starting on my middle-sized ones. So now I think I have all my small buttons into this container here. So now I'm going to start on my middle-sized buttons. So this is about the size of my middle-sized buttons. So some of them might be a little bit bigger than this, but once they're not as big as these ones, then they're going in here. And these ones are an unusual shape, aren't they? But they're about middle-sized, I think. And sometimes when you're sorting out your middle-sized ones, you realise that you missed 1 or 2 of your small buttons. Look, there's a small one that was hiding. Oh, and there's another one. Because as you start to go through and sort out, it's easier to see what's left in your container. Oh, look, there's a few small buttons still left in there. Okay, I think that's probably a middle-sized one. Yeah, middle-sized. That one might be a small. No, middle-sized. How about this one? Yeah, middle-sized. 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 Small. Oh, oops, that one's, I put that in the wrong container. That's a small one. Oh, there's another middle-sized one. Middle-sized. middle-sized. Okay, I'm going to keep sorting. I'll be back to you in a minute. So I think I have most of my middle-sized ones in there. So that leaves just my big ones. So I'll put these in here. Oh look, there's one very similar to the middle-sized one we had, look. So there we go. All sorted. So you could try this activity at home. So just have a look around and see, can you find some old buttons, and then sort them into your 3 containers: your big, your middle-sized and your small. Hope you have fun. Bye.